Whatever it is that you want, you need to start. Do it. Do it. Stop waiting. Stop sitting around and crossing your fingers and worrying and making it like a whole mountain when it's not actually that hard. So you're back again and you're probably wondering, well, what the heck am I supposed to do? Because I'm living here in the present and I'm ready. So if you are ready to jump in with me, we're gonna be talking all about the present, all about our reality, because 2020 is here and you've got a plan, right? And I'm here with you. So stay until the very end of the video because I'm gonna give you, as always, a bonus tip to actually creating that 2020 vision and the present reality that you actually want. So, messy action. People are saying messy action is better than no action. Is that true? Well, I don't know about you, but I'm not perfect. So, heck yes, messy action is better than no action, but that doesn't mean that you have to be a hot mess express, right? Because it's a new decade and we're better than that. So what do I mean by that? I mean, whatever it is that you want, you need to start. I went to an amazing conference, 2019, and the biggest thing that I got out of it wasn't really what I went for. It wasn't like, okay, well, what am I supposed to do about this one specific thing? I don't know what to do, and I was making it like a monster, right? If you already know, I've started a podcast. It is The Irene Show, so go and check that out. But that is why I went to this conference and I made a big mess of it. I was like, well, I want to start a podcast, but I don't know what to call it. And I made it like the biggest monster elephant in the room, right? And what I left with was so much bigger than what I went there for. And that is that ready is a lie. What do I mean by this? I mean that you are here because you've got something on your mind. You've got a dream, you've got a goal, you've got a vision, right? And in this new decade, we are all about going for the things that we want. We are all about the action, and guess what? That can be messy action, and it can be messy action wrapped up in a nice, like, productive bow. Because I don't know about you, but we don't have time to waste, right? So if you're gonna do something, then please do it. Do it. Stop waiting. Stop sitting around and crossing your fingers and worrying and making it like a whole mountain when it's not actually that hard. Okay, so we're gonna be talking 3 easy actual things that will help you with doing that and not a hot mess express because we don't got time. Number 1, don't try to make everything so complicated. Just start. Take the messy action. So make a short list help everybody, and make those 3 to 5 things and tackle them. Tackle them. Don't try to solve the whole thing in one day or give yourself this like crazy deadline all to do at once on the first week. Because what are you gonna do? You're gonna overwhelm yourself. You're gonna drain yourself of your creative energy, and then your dream is going to go and die. And that's not what we want. So make a short list, keep it simple, don't try to do everything in one day. Save yourself a migraine. Save yourself just so much stress. Okay, so number 2, I want you to do your research. What is it that you're trying to achieve? Like, are you like me? Are you trying to start a podcast? Are you starting a YouTube channel? Are you switching careers? Are you trying to get back into the gym? Are you trying to change your nutrition? Are you going grain-free? Like, are you giving up that toxic relationship? What are you trying to do? Is it simple as walking more? Because what you need to do is not be afraid to look dumb. Don't be afraid to look stupid. Don't be afraid to say, I need help. I need someone to mentor me. I need someone to study from. And this doesn't always have to be a financial investment. There are so many free resources and so many people that know way more than we do. All we have to do is search for them. All we have to do is find them and learn from them, because now everybody is putting their best stuff out there. Everybody is giving you their free thing, and they're like, hi, it's me, I'm an expert in my thing, come learn from me, come and follow me. Well, babe, like, it's lemonade at a lemon stand. Go get your lemonade for free, and if you really like that lemonade, invest in it. And that brings me to number 3. You cannot be afraid to invest in yourself. It starts with the investment. I mean, how many free things are there out there that you have the opportunity to take advantage of and you just don't do it? I'm talking to you. Procrastination and putting it off till later, hanging out in your PJs, hoping that that thing just happens for you. Chances are it didn't happen in the last decade, and chances are it's not gonna happen in this decade. Success comes to those who freaking grab it. Grab it by the reins and make it yours. And sometimes you gotta put the investment in, because then you're actually going to care, you're actually gonna get off your butt, and you're gonna make it happen. So now that we've knocked out those 3 things, what is my bonus tip? Because you know I like to save the bonus tip for last. So thanks for staying until the end of the video. My bonus tip is to go right now and follow 3 people on your favorite social media platform. Whether that's Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, a podcast, whether it's Snapchat, whether it's TikTok, and they do the best darn hokey pokey, like hoe down, throw down dance that's like to some really good song, whatever. I still don't understand TikTok. It's gonna take a while. I want you to go and follow 3 people, 5 people, make it short though. 3 people that you really want to learn from. And I want you to study them. And I want you to see what are their things that they do, what do they talk about, what are they preaching about, and are they actually like living by the things that they preach? Because it's one thing to talk the talk and walk the walk. So it's one thing to talk the talk, but it's another thing to actually walk the walk. And I learned from people who do both, that spit the game and actually live the game. So I don't know if that makes sense to you, but you want to be inspired by the people that are actually out there doing it, crushing it, living their dream life, you know, doing all the goals. Those are the people that you need to surround yourself with. So I'm not just saying, oh, go follow somebody that inspires you and motivates you, because then you'll be like them. No. I'm telling you, go actually follow the people that you want to be like, and keep those people in your ear, in your circle. You need to create a new circle. This is what the bonus tip is for. It's to help you change your reality. We're talking about the present today, so we're changing the reality of you and your life and who you're influenced by. Because that's all the social media buzz is, right? It's all influence. So if we're being influenced anyways, might as well be influenced by the people that we want to be like. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking to you more about action and more about the future, because we've tackled the past, we're in the present, but we want to keep on trucking towards the future. So thank you for being here with me today. Like I said, I'm Irene from The Irene Show, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.